You've been driving your Acura for months, maybe even years. You think you know every button, every feature, every trick. But I'm about to show you something that's been hiding in plain sight this entire time. A function so useful, so clever, that once you know about it, you'll use it almost every day. And here's the crazy part. It's not in your owner's manual. Your salesperson probably didn't mention it, and 99% of Acura owners have no idea it exists. I discovered this completely by accident while working on a customer's car, and when I showed them, their reaction was always the same. Wait, my car can do that? Yes, it can. This isn't some gimmick or party trick. This is a genuinely useful feature that makes your Acura safer, more convenient, and easier to use. Today, I'm revealing exactly what this secret function is, which Acura models have it, and how to activate it step by step. Trust me, by the end of this video, you're going to walk straight out to your car and try it yourself. Let's get into it. The secret function: one-touch pointies, triple blink turn, signals with hidden lane change mode. Here's the secret function that almost nobody knows about. Your Acura has a customizable turn signal system that goes way beyond just a 3-blink lane change signal. Most people know that if you tap the turn signal lever lightly, it blinks 3 times automatically. But what they don't know is that you can customize this feature in ways that completely change how you use your turn signals. And there's a hidden mode that makes lane changes safer and more intuitive than anything you've experienced before. Let me break this down. What most people know, the basic feature. On most modern Acuras from 2015 onwards, including the MDX, RDX, TLX, ILX, and Integra, there's a one-touch turn signal feature. Tap the lever lightly up or down, and the turn signal blinks 3 times automatically. This is great for quick lane changes on the highway. You don't have to hold the lever down or manually turn it off. Most drivers know about this. It's become pretty standard across the industry, but that's just the surface level. The secret part 1: you can change how many times it blinks. Here's what 99% of drivers don't know. You can actually customize how many times the turn signal blinks. 3 blinks might be perfect for some people, but maybe you want 5 blinks because you drive in heavy traffic and need more warning time. Or maybe you want just 1 blink for super quick lane changes. You can do that. Here's how. Get in your Acura and turn on the ignition. You don't need to start the engine, just turn it to the on position. Go to your infotainment screen and tap Settings. Navigate to Vehicle Settings or Customization Settings, depending on your model year. Look for an option called Turn Signal or Lighting Settings. You'll see an option for Auto Lane Change Signal. This controls how many blinks you get with a light tap. On most models, you can choose between 1, 3, 5, or 7 blinks. Select your preferred number and save. That's it. Now test it. Tap the turn signal lever lightly and count the blinks. It should match what you selected. Why does this matter? Because different driving situations need different amounts of signaling. If you're doing a quick merge on an empty highway, 1 or 3 blinks is plenty. If you're changing lanes in dense city traffic with lots of pedestrians and cyclists, 5 or 7 blinks gives everyone more time to react. Having control over this makes your car work the way you want it to, not the way the factory decided for everyone. The secret part 2: the hidden progressive resistance mode. Now here's where it gets really interesting, and this is the part that almost nobody knows about. On certain Acura models, particularly 2019 and newer, there's a hidden feature in the turn signal lever itself. It's called progressive resistance feedback, and it changes how the lever feels when you use it. Here's how it works. When you tap the lever lightly for a lane change, you feel a slight click, and it springs back to center. That gives you the auto blink feature. But if you push just slightly past that first click, you'll feel a second level of resistance. Hold it there, and the turn signal stays on continuously until you release it or complete your turn. This is genius because it gives you 3 modes in one lever: light tap, auto blink for lane changes, push to second click, and hold continuous signal while you're actively steering. Push all the way, latching signal that stays on until you manually cancel or the wheel returns to center. Most people never notice the second click because they either tap lightly or push all the way. But once you feel for it, you'll realize your turn signal has way more control than you thought. This progressive system was actually borrowed from Honda's experience with motorcycle turn signals, where precise control is critical for safety. They engineered it into Acura's luxury lineup to give drivers more intuitive feedback without adding complicated buttons or switches. The secret part 3: emergency flasher integration. Here's another hidden trick that ties into the turn signal system. On many Acuras, if you press the hazard button while a turn signal is active, the car will override the turn signal and activate the hazards. But here's the secret. If you quickly double tap the hazard button on some models, it activates a panic flash mode. This makes your hazards flash rapidly for about 10 seconds, then return to normal speed. Why would you use this? Emergency situations. If you need to warn traffic behind you about a sudden hazard, standing water, debris in the road, accident ahead, the rapid flashing gets attention faster than normal hazards. I've used this multiple times when coming up on stopped traffic on the highway. That rapid flash makes people behind you brake sooner. Not every model has this and it's not in the manual, but try it next time you're parked safely. Double tap your hazard button and see if the flash pattern changes. The rapid flash pattern is actually designed to mimic emergency vehicle warning patterns, which our brains are trained to recognize as urgent. It's far more effective at grabbing attention than standard hazard blinks, especially in low visibility conditions or when approaching fast-moving traffic. If you're enjoying this so far, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. I've got more hidden Acura features coming. The secret part 4: automatic signal cancellation override. Here's something that drives people crazy. You're making a gentle turn, and your turn signal doesn't automatically cancel. You end up driving down the road with your blinker still on, looking like someone's confused grandparent. Your Acura's turn signal cancellation is based on steering wheel rotation. If you don't turn the wheel far enough, it won't cancel automatically. But here's the secret. You can manually cancel it with a trick that's faster than reaching for the lever. On most Acuras, if you tap the turn signal lever in the opposite direction, just a quick tap, it instantly cancels the current signal without activating the opposite one. So if your left turn signal is on and won't cancel, just give the lever a quick tap up. Boom, it's off. Sounds simple, but I've seen people fumble with the lever trying to toggle it off while driving. This method is way cleaner. The secret part 5: rain sensing wiper integration. This one's a bonus, but it's related to the turn signal system in a clever way. On Acuras with rain sensing wipers, there's a hidden link between the wiper system and the turn signals. When your wipers are on auto mode and it starts raining, the car will automatically delay your turn signal blink slightly when the wipers activate. Why? Because when you're signaling in heavy rain, the wiper blade crossing your turn signal light can make it harder to see. The system times the blinks to occur when the wiper is away from the light. It's a tiny detail, but it shows how much thought Acura put into these systems. You won't notice it unless you're specifically looking for it, but once you know, you'll see it happen every time you drive in the rain with your wipers on auto. How to test all of this right now. Want to try everything I just showed you? Here's your step-by-step action plan. Go to your Acura and sit in the driver's seat. Turn the ignition to on. Don't start the engine to save gas. Access your settings menu and find the turn signal customization option. Change it to a different blink count and test it. Practice feeling for the different resistance points in your turn signal lever. Tap lightly for the auto blink. Push to the second click and hold. Feel the difference. Try the hazard button double tap trick. Do this while parked. See if your model has the rapid flash feature. Practice the quick cancel technique. Turn on your signal, then tap the lever in the opposite direction to cancel it. Next time it rains, put your wipers on auto And watch how the turn signal timing syncs with the wiper movement. Seriously, go do this right after watching this video. It takes 5 minutes and you'll gain so much more control over your car. Why Acura hides these features? You might be wondering, if these features are so useful, why doesn't Acura advertise them? Good question. The answer is simplicity. Acura knows that most buyers want their car to just work without thinking about it. They don't want to wade through 50 pages of customization options. So, Acura sets sensible defaults and hides the advanced options for people who actually care. That's you. You're the 1% who wants to know every feature, every option, every hidden trick. And that's exactly why you're going to get more out of your Acura than the average owner. Bonus secret: voice command shortcut. Here's one more quick trick since you've made it this far. On Acuras with voice command, you can actually control some vehicle settings without touching the screen. Press the voice command button on your steering wheel and try saying, "Turn on lane change signal." Set turn signal to 5 blinks. Activate hazard lights. Not every model supports all of these commands, and the voice recognition isn't perfect, but it's faster than navigating through menus while driving. Try experimenting with different commands. You'll be surprised what works. Models that have these features. Here's a quick rundown of which Acuras have which features. 2015 to 2024. MDX, all secret functions mentioned, including customizable blink counts and progressive resistance. 2019 to 2024, RDX, full feature set, including rain-sensing wiper integration on models with Acura Watch. 2015 to 2024, TLX, customizable turn signals and progressive resistance, rain integration on models with auto wipers. 2016 to 2024, ILX, customizable blink counts, progressive resistance on 2019 plus models. 2023 to 2024, Integra, full feature set including all hidden functions. If you have an older model, you might have some but not all of these features. The best way to know is to try them. Why this matters more than you think. Look, I get it. Turn signals don't sound exciting, but think about how many times a day you use them. Every lane change, every turn, every parking maneuver. If you're driving 30 minutes a day in mixed traffic, you're probably using your turn signals 20 to 40 times. That's over 10,000 times per year. Multiply that over the years you own your car, and you're talking about tens of thousands of interactions with this one feature. Wouldn't you want that feature to work exactly the way you prefer? That's what this is about, taking control of the details and making your car work for you. One more hidden feature: the turn signal sound. Okay, one last secret because you've stuck with me this long. On some Acura models, you can actually change the volume of the turn signal clicking sound. It's buried deep in the setting, usually under audio or alert setting. Why would you want this? If you listen to music loudly, you might want the click louder so you don't forget your signal is on. If you drive in silence or have sensitive hearing, you might want it quieter. Most people don't even know this is adjustable. Go into your setting, find alert volume or turn signal volume, and adjust it to your preference. It's a small thing, but it makes a difference. So there you have it. The secret Acura turn signal functions that only 1% of drivers know about. Customizable blink counts for different driving situations. Progressive resistance feedback for more precise control. Hidden emergency flasher modes for panic situations. Quick cancel techniques that make you look like a pro. Rain-sensing wiper integration that improves visibility. Voice command shortcuts for hands-free adjustments. These aren't just neat tricks. They're genuinely useful features that make your Acura safer and more convenient to drive. And now, you're part of the 1% who actually knows about them. So go out to your car right now and try everything I showed you. Customize your settings. Feel the different resistance points. Test the features. Make your Acura truly yours. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to watch this next video as we're sharing insider tips to help you cut repair costs and keep your car running like new.